Hello friends, in this video we will talk about the poetry of William Shakespeare. इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे विलियम शेक्सपियर की पोइट्रीज़ के बारे में और हम ट्राई करेंगे कि इसी वीडियो में हम विलियम शेक्सपियर को कंप्लीट कर दें। ठीक है, तो स्टार्ट करते हैं हम। वीनस एंड एडोनिस। वीनस एंड एडोनिस 1593 में लिखी गई थी। वीनस एंड एडोनिस, इट इज़ ए नरेटिव पोएम। It is a narrative poem. It is a first poem of Shakespeare. ठीक है, the poem tell the story of Venus, who is a goddess of love. Venus is a goddess of love. She is in love with a man named Adonis. ठीक है, she is in love with a man named Adonis. He is going on a hunt, and Adonis is going on a hunt, and Venus saw and wants to own this man, but Adonis does not, so Venus thus decides to take an action against him. The poem is pastoral narrative poem. It is also a pastoral poem. It is erotic, comic and tragic also. It is written in verse form known as sesta rima. You have to remember this. It is written in verse form known as sesta rima. Many times this question may be asked. Venus and Adonis is written in which form? It is written in sesta rima, or it consists of 199 stanza. It consists of 199 stanza. This poem starts with a brief discussion with Henry Wriothesley. Who is that? He is a Shakespeare patron. This poem is dedicated to my first year of invention. ठीक है, Ovid Metamorphosis. Ovid Metamorphosis. It is published before 5 years of Marlowe, Hero and Leander. Venus and Adonis is published 5 years before Marlowe, Hero and Leander. ठीक है, this is enough for Venus and Adonis. Let's go on our next poetry, Rape of Lucre. Second long narrative poem. This is the second long narrative poem. It addressed directly to Henry Wriothesley. Spelling is Henry, Henry, Wriothesley. Even the Venus and Adonis is also start with the discussion of Henry. Start with the discussion with Henry Wriothesley. ठीक है, HW. Many times we hear that the William Shakespeare dedicate all his works to HW. The name is Henry Wriothesley. ठीक है, who is also told as Earth of Southampton. Southampton. He wrote a dedicated letter to Henry, in which Shakespeare promised to write a graver labor, means a more serious poem. It has a serious tone throughout the poem. The letter begins with the line, "The love I dedicate without yearnship, without end. The love I dedicate without yearnship, without end." These are the first lines, beginning lines of the poem. The dedication is followed by an argument, a prose paragraph in media res. Media res means middle of something. Media res, middle of means middle of something. ठीक है, एग्जाम्पल से समझ लीजिए। मूवी के बीच में जैसे चालू होती है ना, मूवी बीच में से चालू होती है और फ्लैश बैक में स्टोरी दिखाते हैं, दैट इज़ लाइक। ठीक है, और इन दिस 265 stanzas are there in this poem, written in rhyme royal. और in short form we discuss plot. Lucretia, Lucretia. Lucretia is the heroine who is raped by the son of the king of Rome, and she commits suicide after the rape, which incites a revolt against a king. Okay, the next we discuss about lovers' complaint. Lover's Complaint. This is a short poem, narrative poem. This is also a narrative poem. Published to conclusion. It is the original edition of the Shakespeare sonnet, which is published by Thomas Thorpe. You have to remember this point. I only discuss with you the main points. ठीक है. Lover's Complaint is a poem written by William Shakespeare. It is a narrative poem. ठीक है. It's original edition of the Shakespeare sonnet, which is published by Thomas Thorpe. THOMAS THORPE. Let us discuss some sonnets of William Shakespeare. First sonnet we will discuss is sonnet number 130. Sonnet number 130. First I will give you the list. Sonnet number 1 to 126 is addressed to a male figure. Sonnet number 1 to 126 जो है वो किसको, मेल फिगर को एड्रेस कर रहे हैं शेक्सपियर. ठीक है. और जो 78 to 86 मिनी सेट जो बीच में बनाया है उन्होंने 78 to 86. ही एड्रेस टू राइवल पोएट. ही एड्रेस this sonnet to rival poet. ठीक है. 127 to 152 he addressed to a dark lady. 127 to 152 he addressed to this sonnet to a dark lady. और he dedicated his sonnets to WH. He dedicated his sonnet to WH. ठीक है. You have to remember these points. Sonnet number 18. First we will discuss about the main sonnets. Sonnet number 18. He is talking about love. In this sonnet he is talking about love and comparing love to a summer days. Okay. He compare love with summer days. Or the two lines we will discuss. Shall I compare to thirst to summer days, and are more lovely and more temperate? Pick the darling birds of May and summer leave. Okay, this is sonnet number 18. You have to remember comparing love to summer days. He is comparing love with to summer days. Next is sonnet number 116. Sonnet number 116. In this he is talking about love and talking about how oneness is the desire of all lovers. ठीक है. Oneness is the desire of all lovers. The lines are: let me not to the marriage of true mind, admit impediment, love is altar when its alteration finds. He says, प्यार वो नहीं है जो समय के साथ बदलता है, प्यार वो है जो समय के साथ बढ़ता जाता है. ठीक है. Many times we hear these lines in our life. Sonnet number 130. Now we will discuss sonnet number 130. Shakespeare is describing the beauty of his beloved in this. Okay. Shakespeare is describing the beauty of his beloved in these lines. हमने बात करी है sonnet number 18, sonnet number 116, sonnet number 130. Okay. So some questions we will discuss. The total number of poems in Shakespeare sonnet is. The total number of poems in Shakespeare sonnet is. The answer is 154. 154. Shakespeare sonnets are dedicated to an unknown man. Name the man. Mr. W.H. He dedicated all his poems to sonnets to Mr. W.H. Now in the next video we will discuss about Francis Bacon as his work. ठीक है. Thank you. Please watch, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.